Hi everyone, Sumit Chandra this side, and I welcome you to our channel Solution Bridge Network and one-stop solution for all your Power Platform tutorials. The Power BI January 2025 update is packed with new features and enhancement that bring AI-driven improvements, next-level data model management and editing, visualization upgrades, expanded data connectivity, and much more. Whether you are working on data exploration, reporting, or modeling, these updates will elevate your Power BI experience. First, let me show you the content that have released by Microsoft this month. Let me switch on the blog post first. These are the list of contents. Copilot and AI section, they have some update. In reporting section, we have some updates. In modeling section, this month we have some good updates and we have some update on data connectivity, visualization and others as well. First, I will cover TMDL and modeling part, then I will jump into visualization. Let me open my Power BI file. You can see we have TMDL view activated here. So TMDL is Tabular Model Definition Language. This month, Microsoft have added TMDL scripting experience, but this is a preview features. So first, we need to enable these features. So we need to go to File. We need to click on Options and Settings. Options. From here, we need to click on Preview Features. And in Preview Features, you will get this option, TMDL View. We need to enable this. After enabling the option, we need to restart our Power BI. Then you will get this TMDL View. TMDL is a new feature in Power BI Desktop that allows users to script, modify, and apply changes to the semantic model using code. With TMDL, developers can leverage a rich code experience. It will enhance development efficiency, increased reusability, and greater control without relying on any third party tool. Let me show you how we can use the same. Once we click on TMDL, here you can see script 1. So for example, let me drag this table global superstore. Now in this window, you can see the scripting of this table. These are my columns. So here you can see row ID, the data type of this column, and some other information. For example, if we wanted to change the data type of any particular column or we wanted to change the name of a particular column, we can do this very easily in this window. Let me add a new script window. Now let me drag my measure table here. So you can see from here we can easily create new measures, we can update or modify our existing measures, and we can incorporate all the changes at once. So let's say for example, in net sales, I don't want this decimal portion. So let me remove it. So I change the formatting for net sales measure. In net profit, the DAX is sum of profit and here I multiply it 0.1. So let me remove this for now. And now let me create two new measures here. So how to create a measure? So here we can write measure, then we need to define the measure name in single quote. So let's say for example, we need a measure for order count. So my measure name will be order count. Now I need to put a equal sign and then count. Now I need to put my table name, that is global superstore, and I need to define the column name. From here you can refer your column name. So this is the order ID that I wanted to count. So let me put order ID. Here you need to write it properly. If there is any mismatch on spelling, it will throw error. Let me create another measure. Now here I will use customer count. Cust count. and let me put a formula here, distinct count. So I will use this formula. Now we will click on apply and all the changes will be applied if we will not have any error. So here you can see a green tick that changes is applied to the model. If we have any error, then it will show the error as well. Now let me click on report view, and in report view you will get this. In net sales we don't have any decimal portion. This is whole number now. In net profit we don't have that multiply 0.1, and we have created this customer count measures and order count measures. Now we can easily use those measures into our visuals. Now let me discuss the updates that we have for semantic model for this month. Next level, data management and editing. Power BI continues to empower modelers with more control and flexibility in handling complex data. What's new on this month for semantic model update? So now we will be able to see semantic model version history. This is a preview features. You can now track changes in your semantic models over time, giving you more control and flexibility into your model's evolution. This option is now available for premium workspace. Later on, this update will be available in Pro Workspace as well. Power BI now allows user to edit their data models directly in the Power BI service, enabling easier updates and collaboration on cloud-based models. Live edit of semantic models in direct lake mode with Power BI desktop. This is also a preview features. These features allow you to live edit semantic model in direct lake mode, making it easier to manage and interact with real-time data in Power BI desktop. Now let me jump to the visualization improvement that we have for this month. So first we'll discuss about Treemap. This month, Power BI enhancement to Treemap visual. Treemap now come with added capabilities and improve interaction, making them a more powerful tool for visualizing hierarchical data. Here you can see I have added a tree map based on net profit by segment, and I put category in details field. You can see the same tree map three times. So here we have different views. If you click on the visuals and click on this formatting option, in layout section we have this tiling method. So here we have three options: squarified, binary, and alternating columns rows. Also we have two other options: space between all nodes and space between groups. So you can manage the space of nodes from here. You can increase it or decrease it, and you can manage the group space from here. Let me move to the next visual update, that is text slicer. Following the November 2024 text slicer release, enhance functionality and user experience by allowing multiple text selection. So this is also a preview features. To use it, you need to enable it from here. So you can see I have a table, and here I have added a text slicer. In text slicer, if you click on format your visual, in slicer setting, you will find this option, accept multiple values. So you need to enable this to use these features. Now, if I type Adam and click on this arrow, so my table filters with the matches of Adam. Now if I wanted to add another word, or I wanted to search with some other words, so let me put Sami and again click on this button. So you can see it's added the similar text in the table. So it's worked as a OR condition. In visualization section, we have another update. Explore this data, new entry point from a visual. Exploring your data is easier than ever. Let me show you this demo in Power BI service. I'm on Power BI service now. If I click on this triple dot more option, from here we'll get this option, explore this data. This is also a preview features. From here we'll be able to change the graph type. So let me click on column. Even if we want, we can change our fields as well. So from here, we can select different fields and we can see the view. So we can change our graph, we can change the data, we can add data as well. So let me select net profit. So now you can see the visual type we can change, and we can change the measures or data field as well. If you want, you can see the matrix view as well. So from here, we can explore it based on our requirement, and then we close it and we'll move to our existing reports. Now let me move to my Power BI desktop again. Now we'll discuss about Copilot and AI, enhanced suggestion and interactivity. Power BI continues to integrate AI capabilities to make data analysis smoother and smarter. The January 2025 update introduced several new Copilot features that improve how users interact with their data. What's new in this month? Unlock suggested questions from standard prompts in Copilot. You can now receive more intuitive suggestive questions from Power BI's Copilot. Storytelling in PowerPoint, new reset behavior. There are two exciting improvements for those presenting in PowerPoint. New reset behavior, supporting page up and page down. Apart from this, they have some other updates as well. Save to OneDrive and SharePoint. Now, the file picker interface has been updated, currently in preview features, making it easier to save and manage your Power BI files directly to OneDrive or SharePoint. In the data connectivity section also, they have some updates. They have added new Snowflake Connector implementation this month. With a rich combination of AI enhancement, powerful visualization, modeling flexibility, and expanded connectivity, the January 2025 updates for Power BI sets the stage for even more powerful and seamless data analysis. Whether you are a data analyst, business intelligence professional, or report creator, these updates bring significant improvements to your workflow. Be sure to explore these new features in your own Power BI environment and keep an eye on future updates as Microsoft continues to innovate and enhance the platform. Do let me know if you have any question in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel, hit the like button and press the bell icon for the new video alerts.